Hello everyone. So there was a question on the community about reports, and I thought I'll probably show you this because I was actually working on something similar. And the question is actually not really about eazyBI, but I will show you something in eazyBI. Now the question is from Nathan, and the question is that I'm currently in the midst of building a Kanban board for my company and blah blah blah. And basically the main requirement here is that what Nathan is trying to do, that a dashboard should be created that will be updated every 2 weeks on Friday at 5 p.m. So basically there is a need to create a dashboard that will show some information, and the dashboard widget data shall be generated into PDF report. So there is a mention of PDF. At the same time, the PDF report shall be sent to a set of list of email addresses. And because Nathan is talking about cloud, I will try to show you the possibilities on cloud. So this can be done in a way using eazyBI. Not exactly each and everything, but yeah, few things. Definitely, more than few things. So this is my eazyBI account, and I'm using, by the way, cloud here. So if you go to the analyze, and then if you go to the dashboard, I already have a dashboard that I can show you. So this is like my wonderful dashboard, which I can look at. And when you configure your eazyBI, for example, if I go to my my source data, and if I show you the configurations for import, so there are few things that you can change here. So if I go to the import frequency, so this is right now set to daily at specified time, so you can basically change it. And you can actually, of course, on cloud you do have this option here. If you're using server version, you have slightly more features available throughout, but of course this is the cloud, so there are, of course, expect some differences. So when you have this import configuration, I guess daily is fine. I mean, I don't really see the reason why you would need to update your eazyBI report every minute or every hour. I think daily is more than enough, right? This is, of course, my opinion. And I think it's probably okay if you're looking at the data, which is probably showing you something that happened maybe in the morning or maybe yesterday. But definitely, if you're doing it daily, then be aware that this is, of course, this can, of course, be not actually real time. But the thing is that if you're using eazyBI, you not only have the options here to create wonderful reports, but the main thing is that you have the option here to create subscription. So if you have access to this dashboard, what you can do is you can actually subscribe to one of the dashboard, and then you can create a subscription schedule. So it will actually show you, or it will basically send you an email with a PDF, and that particular PDF will get will have the attachment. So basically that attachment can have, of course, all the wonderful nice charts that you have. I'll probably show you one of the attachment that you can get. So if you go to this particular email, I mean, this is my attachment, my report. I mean, basically the same thing, right? 540 issues created, 59 issues resolved, issues closed, and so on. But of course, you have this information in the PDF format, and this PDF format is actually wonderful, right? I mean, it's a PDF file. Good thing about eazyBI is that you can also have some text. For example, if you're looking at this particular issue statistics, maybe you want to add some text, right? So maybe you can do something like, if you click on this report, and if you go to that particular report and maybe add a description. So this description will show you some details. Count of issues, and this will support some formatting. So you have markdown option here, so you can actually look at how it works, but it's very simple. And the important numbers are displayed below, and you can see this information, and you can, of course, go back to the dashboard. So this is actually, I need to save it. Come on, save. Then let us go to the dashboard. So basically you can have some text. So it is not just, the charts and these numbers. And this is, I think, quite good. And I think I can live with that. I mean, of course, it might not have each and every feature that you're looking for, but I think on cloud, and especially if you are trying to work on reports within Jira, you can. And good thing about eazyBI dashboard is that you can also have the same dashboard. Of course, right now I'm looking at my eazyBI dashboard, but the same dashboard can be displayed on your Jira, basically as a Jira dashboard. So basically there is a gadget where you can configure that particular dashboard that you built, and it can be displayed within Jira dashboard. And that is all I wanted to talk about and show you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye. And by the way, in case you want to learn eazyBI, I do have like a dedicated playlist or my free course. I mean, all my videos are free, so do take a look at it. I have not recently, but few months ago, I started making videos on eazyBI, and I can help you if in case you are trying to learn eazyBI, in case you're trying to get the most out of your Jira reports. eazyBI is one of my favorite apps. I use it quite a lot, and I also recommend organizations, because I'm a consultant and people ask me, can you recommend an app for reporting? eazyBI is always on top of my list when it comes to reporting. Of course, there are other apps that can do other things, but for reporting, eazyBI has been my favorite. So in case you want to learn it, do take a look at my playlist. And also I do have a channel membership, not on YouTube, but on my own website. So if you go to ravisagar.in/join, you'll find the link, by the way, in the description. You can actually join my channel, and if you join my channel, then of course I want to give something back to you. I basically will be giving you free books. So I'm in a process to publish 2 books in hopefully soon, definitely in the coming couple of months. And I also have a service desk. So if you go to my website and if you raise a ticket for me, you will be added to a special group of people who will get priority response, because I do get a lot of inquiries from people, and I want to ensure that if you are a paid member, if you're actively paying member, then I will definitely give you a reply. And do consider joining my channel if you think I'm doing good work and you want to support my channel. But of course, you will also get something in return. And that is it. Bye bye.